In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a CD cover with Canva. Whether you're designing for a music project, a podcast, or even just a personal collection, a striking CD cover can really make your work stand out. And the best part? Canva makes it easy, fun, and completely beginner friendly. First, open your browser and head over to canva.com. Once you're there, look for the search bar at the top and type in CD cover. You'll instantly see a variety of templates designed specifically for CD covers. Take a moment to browse through them. Each template has its own unique style, so find one that matches the vibe you're going for. When you spot a design you like, click on it to get a closer look. Once the template opens, click on Customize this template. Now the real fun begins. You can start by editing the text. Click on any text box to change the title, artist name, or any other details you want to include. Canva lets you adjust the font, size, and color so you can make the text fit perfectly with your vision. If the background doesn't match your theme, no problem. You can easily change it by selecting a different image or color. To make it even more personal, head over to the Upload section on the left-hand menu. Here, you can upload your own images or artwork. Once your images are uploaded, just drag and drop them onto your template. For a professional touch, right-click on your image and select Replace Background. This will make your uploaded image seamlessly fill the entire template, giving your CD cover a polished, cohesive look. This simple step can completely transform your design and make it stand out to your audience. You can also experiment with Canva's built-in elements to make your cover even more dynamic. Try adding shapes, stickers, or icons to give it depth. Adjust the transparency of these elements or layer them behind your text to create a modern, stylish effect. Don't be afraid to play around. Sometimes the smallest details make the biggest difference. Another tip is to stick to a color palette that represents your project. Canva makes it easy to change colors with just a click, so you can ensure your text, images, and background all work together harmoniously. Using consistent colors not only makes your CD cover look professional, but also helps it grab attention when displayed digitally or in stores. After everything looks perfect, take a final moment to review your design. Canva makes it easy to tweak any element until you're completely satisfied. When you're ready, download your CD cover in your preferred format. Now it's ready for printing or sharing digitally. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've created a unique and eye-catching CD cover using Canva. With this tool, your creativity has no limits and your projects can truly shine. Thanks for watching and happy designing.